Hey everyone, friends, it's Bilo here. Today I'll show how to move or share a CapCut project, not just a video. Let's open CapCut. Click an empty space and you'll see a Details tab. Hit Modify and then Copy Media as Project. You'll see this user data folder. It's saved as 04191. Click Save. Go to Start, type Run, type %app data %. Click OK. Go to Local, then CapCut. Find User Data Projects. I'll find it now. Yes, Projects. Here's the draft editor. Here's our 0419 project. It's saved as a project, not a video. Now just share this file with someone who needs it, and they can move it to this folder on their end. There. To reduce its size, you can zip it. That's all, folks. This was Belor. See you later.